Hey there, friends! Welcome to One Yen Feng Shui channel, where we explore the ancient wisdom of Feng Shui to bring balance and positivity into our life. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic: the Confucian perspective on happiness and how it can influence our modern way of thinking. Understanding happiness. So, in the West, we often think of happiness as this solo journey, right? Like, what makes me happy? But get this, in Confucian philosophy, it's a whole different ballgame. Happiness isn't just about you, it's about the group that you are part of: family, society, friends, and even your workplace. Confucian versus Western ideas. Picture this. While the West celebrates individual freedom, Confucian gives a high five to the family unit. It's like swapping a me, myself, and I, myself for a we are all together vibe. Confucian believed that a happy life isn't just about you feeling good, it's about everyone around you feeling fulfilled too. Words and their meaning. Now, let's talk about words: desire, pleasure, Hinduism, things that scream happiness in the West. Confucius takes these words and gives them a twist. It's not about pleasure, it's about a holistic vibe, a big picture situation where you groove with other humans. Digital dilemma. Okay, there's something to think about. Our online lives. Confucius said, "Oh, where's the ritual?" Those face-to-face moments like high five, pat on the back, or even a good old-fashioned hug. Without these rituals, we might be missing out on some serious happy vibes. Rituals in everyday. Confucius was all about rituals, not just the fancy ones, but also the everyday stuff. How you use your body, your expression, they all play a part in connecting with others. Think about it. A simple nod or a smile can make a world of difference in how we relate to each other. Influence on moral philosophy. Now, let's connect with the dots. Between the Confucian and the modern maze we are navigating, issues like abortion, racism, and capital punishment, Confucius brings a unique angle. It's like saying, hey, let's find a common ground between rituals and goodwill and build a society where compromise is king. So there you have it, Feng Shui family. Confucius might be ancient, but his ideas are rocking the modern world. As we explore the balance in our spaces, let's also find harmony in the way we connect with one another. Stay tuned for more Feng Shui wisdom right here on One Yen Feng Shui channel. Until next time, stay positive, stay balanced. Bye bye.